Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to make an Oscar the Grouch surprise fold. So I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Oscar the Grouch surprise fold, we need to begin by folding our paper. Let's start by folding it in half like this. So we're just going to take our paper and fold it in half. And then give it a nice little crease. Next, what we want to do is we want to take our paper, we're going to turn it this way, and then we're just going to kind of fold it in half again. So let's bring this down to the corner, and let's fold it in half again. Now, when we open it up, we have a nice sheet of paper ready for our surprise fold. We do this extra line in here just so we have like two guidelines so that we know not to draw inside of here or above it or below it once we are making our surprise fold. Now to begin, let's start by drawing the trash can that Oscar the Grouch lives in. So I'm going to start over here, and I just want to begin by making a line that goes up. We'll leave some space, and then we'll draw another line over here. Try not to make your little extra mark like I did. Next, what we want to do is we want to draw a line that connects these two. So I'm just going to turn my paper, and I'm going to draw a nice straight line to connect these for the top of my garbage can lid. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go up. It's going to come over and down for the handle. Then I want to draw another one that's just going to go up, over, and down for the top of the handle. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that comes down. And over here, we will draw another line that comes down for the sides of the trash can. This time I'm going to make a little bit of a curved line that goes down and up to connect it. Then right here I'm going to draw that same line again. Starting here, I'm just going to make some little lines coming down for some little details on the trash can. Also on the sides here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, down, and over. Do the same thing here. We're just going to go out, down, and over for some handles on our garbage can. Then right across here, on the edge of our fold, I'm just going to make a straight line that comes across. Sometimes it's a little tricky drawing on the fold, so you just want to go nice and slow and draw a straight line across for the lid of our garbage can. Now, once we're done drawing this, we are going to open it up, and we have our two parts of our trash can. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this line right here, and I'm going to draw this line up just a little bit farther, and I'm going to draw this line up a little bit farther. Now, right across here, let's make another line to connect it. Then I'm going to make one more line right across here for the top of our trash can. I'm also going to go and just make some more little lines right on top of here. I'm not going to connect them. I'm just going to draw some extra little lines here. Now, the next thing we want to do is add Oscar the Grouch in here. So to do this, we're going to start with his eyebrows. So I'm going to start right in the middle here, and let's just draw a little line that goes down and up. Now, starting here, I'm going to just draw a little line that comes down on each side. And right here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and that's going to come up. Right here, I'm going to make a big line like this that goes over or down and up. And another one here, we're just going to go down and up. Next, we're going to make a couple zigzag lines to connect it over, and same thing here. Now, inside of here, I'm going to make his pupils, so I'm just going to go and draw a big black dot inside each one for his pupils. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line and then another little diagonal line right here. Then I just want to make some little zigzag lines that go down and up, and then I'll do the same thing here. We're just going to add a couple little zigzag lines that meet. Then right here, we're just going to make a big smiley face that goes down and up. Now right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up like a smiley face. And I'm going to make a line that comes down for the tongue. Now starting here, we're just going to make a kind of zigzag little line that goes down and in. And another one over here. And we're just going to kind of bring it in. Next, we want to make the arms. I'm going to start by just drawing a little line that comes out on each side. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and down. We'll do another one here. We're going to go up and down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes over and then comes back. Do another one here. And one more here. Do the same thing over here. We're going to go over and then come back, over and come back, over and then come back here. Next, I'm going to make a couple little zigzag lines. And then we'll do a couple little zigzag lines down here too for the body. And there you go, there is your drawing of an Oscar the Grouch surprise fold. You can see when we have it all closed up, we just have a normal looking little trash can, but when you open it up, we have Oscar the Grouch in here. And if you know anybody that is in a bad mood or having a bad day or is kind of grouchy, maybe you could make this for them and help improve their mood. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.